She's like, I don't want this. I was gonna watch the sunrise this morning, but it was freaking cloudy. So I said, screw it, and went back to bed. And the sun's out again, so that's good. The waves are a lot calmer today than they were yesterday. Now that that giant storm is gone. Dang, you're going down early. Got the bathing suit on and everything. You weren't joking.
Where are you going? Where do you think I'm going?
Yeah, look at what she's dressed in.
Telling anybody.
I told y'all. She already went all the way down. What? You shut up.
Are you gonna go down or no?
I'm just gonna go down like this and then come back up and put my bathing suit on. I don't even need to go through the room either. I can just go down here. This is so cool. Boom. The umbrella up. We're about to get a lot of sun. Look at all this blue sky coming our way. With our cute little setup going. Snowy's like, I just want to run down there. This is the nice thing about staying at a beach house. I changed my mind and want to change. And I can just come up here. And I have my own room. That's a first. It's so pretty now. Your show mosaic is better than mine. Hello. Miguel. Bruh. It took me a second to realize what you were doing. You can put it down now. You can put it down now. I get it. I get it. You can totally put it down. The message is loud and clear. Bruh. Y'all are trying to keep Daisy as far away from the sand as possible, huh? I put my snack in a cup. Now I have my drink right here. Daisy has her beach toys. She has the ice cream. Going down to the water with stink. Alright. Ah, she shook all over me. Are you drinking that because you're fantastic?
No, because it's always my fantasy.
My fantasy. This is my fantasy. Get it?
I'm gonna wave goodbye now. See ya. We're trying this again today. The wind isn't as strong today, so I don't know how well it's gonna go. What's that, Daisy? She's looking at it. No.
We're so close.
Right. No.
Oh, no.
Why am I moving my arms like that?
Get out,
Miguel. Frick.
Ah! Is Daisy looking at it? What is that, Daisy? What is that? Is that a kite? Is it pretty? Is it pretty? I think it's funny that you can barely see that house. The little one right there. It's more it's not as steady, that's why.
Yeah.
No! Oh, I thought it was gonna go back up. Oh, there it goes.
I almost hit Dad with it.
What was that, Pookie? What was that?
Why do you have a what the
What?
face?
Right, what is that look on her face? What the frick?
What is that? Yeah.
Woo! Whoa! What's that, Boogie? You're not even looking at it. Oh, whoa! Hello. Oh, wait. Ah!
I just got whiplashed by a freaking kite.
Did you guys have a nice walk? Snowy! Bro! He just said it again. Look at you under the rainbow umbrella, you gay. Snowy! Snowy! Oh my gosh! Wow! Stop. 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 Ready? I guess you don't like it. I guess you didn't like it.
Sorry, dude. That was fun.
Let's try this again with the water.
She's like,
Yeah.
Oh, Pookie. Get up.
She's like, I don't want this.
I'm walking the casual.
Fine. I mean, I could. It's the same stretch of beach. It'd take me like till midnight to get there, but.
No! That was close now.
Oh, jeez. She tried to follow us out here. I'm like, girl, that's too deep for you.
I'm freezing.
Me and Miguel are about to just go in all the way. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna sit in the water now. Oh my god! Are you coming to join us, Mom? It's so shallow this far out. Why are you putting so much? Why are you putting so much? I did nowhere near that to you. Here, to make it equal. Dang it! Snowy! Look at the orange house reflecting off the water. That's cool. It's so small.
That's what Rosie said to me.
I'm eating my lunch out here. So nice. Why did I think this was gonna end well? I had a Reese's cup sitting on my plate and it's melting. This little bird is still up here. We're gonna go in this pool for a little bit. These stairs are steep. We're using a log as a table. What is that noise? What kind of animal was that? It did. It's cold. I'm literally floating on this thing and I wouldn't.
What if I just came over there and tipped you out of that?
I would freaking kill you. Why, hello.
I looked over and I just saw you guys floating. Move it.
It's really cold.
Really?
Yeah.
So how are you guys not freezing?
It was like painful, but now it's nice because we're floating in the sun. Using a pool noodle as an oar to steer myself. What are you doing right behind me?
Steer yourself into me.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to let go of it. Frick. No. Smart. I can't get it to be as loud. There we go. I remember what's his name kept doing that at the pool party. There you go. We added that cold pool and we're going back down to the beach. wash them. Okay. Goodbye. They're so weird. Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of birds. Yeah, it does. It does look like a check mark.
That's how you know it was in there pretty good, right?
Yeah, I had trouble getting that out.
Maybe like tap it on that shirts.
Oh my gosh, look at caked in there.
Tap it on back.
That worked.
I'm like going like this. You know how I put it in the bag?
Yeah.
Like this. And all of a sudden I felt something warm like pouring on my side. And at first I was like, what the fuck is peeing on me? Then I realized my can was in the little pocket. It was weird though, because it's hot.
That's funny. It's funny how all of those footprints right there are all ours. 'Cause, I mean, none of them come from the other houses. There's nobody staying there. And that family, I think, they have their own beach access over there. So this is all from us. We put a little shell on here. A cute little shell. The view from up here looks so nice right now. The sun is so bright on the water down there. I noticed this before I got in the shower. Why do both these switches control this fan? See, that one does. And that one does. There's not a cloud in the sky now. Wow. Ah, bright. You can see the rest of Oak Island now. And then way over there is the lighthouse. And then Fort Caswell. And you can just barely see Bald Head Island way over there too. Hello down there. Pookie! Pookie! I'm up here, Pookie! Fine, I'll come down to you, Daisy. Shut up! The sunset looks so cool from up here. I'm coming down my royal staircase. Yes, it's right outside my bedroom, therefore it is my royal staircase. Hi, here I am. You couldn't find me earlier when I was upstairs, huh? Come on, Snowy! Oh, Daisy, you walked over there. There's a bird. Miguel, you broke the gate. You slammed it so hard it won't open again. What did you do?
I gotta scrape it.
Maybe don't shut it that hard again, because I don't want to mess up this thing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going. If you want to follow me, go right ahead. It's so pretty during sunset. I mean, it's so pretty anyway, but especially during sunset. Why'd you hit me? Yo, there's more sandpipers. Look at how they run from the water. You can also see sun rays from the sunset. It's like they whoa! Whoo! That got my pants a little bit wet. You can see how all the water is going back right there. That's a rip current model right there. That's exactly how they work. Here comes the moon. You can start to see the moon reflecting on the water now. Look at the sun rays. That looks so cool. Whoa, that's a lot of birds.
Macaroni and cheese.
She's had it before, right, babe?
The face she just made, I wish I got that. That was funny. The traditional beach dinner. The squid hot dog and the macaroni. It's not shells this time, but it'll work. Cup. Table.
It's kind of like stomping her foot.
Do a rain dance for Heather. Bring a hurricane back.
Shut up.
Look at her.
Daisy, my drums were better. Still trudging through giant puddles.
Oh, I can feel.
You want a shower? I can roll down your window.
She just gets
Good. I already got one, thanks.
Bet this place looks familiar, doesn't it? I'm getting my usual. My lavender honey and a scoop of one of the sorbets. You can see their ice cream machine back there. They use a stolting machine. Lovely. Miguel, doesn't this sundae look so good?
That does.
Marla?
Here, taste my lavender honey.
I don't want to knock your spoon out. Ooh, that's amazing.
I know why I get it
Oh
every
my
single
gosh.
time.
It tastes just like the one Mama made. Can I taste this too?
Yeah. Just a little bit. That basically just tastes like strawberry. It's hard to taste the kiwi.
No, I get the kiwi.
It's kind of like
little bit.
aftertaste.
Yeah.
It's just sweet.
That's delicious.
So we'd have some with cream.
No.
Look at the giant ice cream. Daisy, what you got?
Oh my god.
I'm getting this thing. This is so cool. These are weird. What? Why are you hitting me with this? Ew.
That's Heather.
Yes. Why, thank you. It was textured. I'm gonna wear it now. I'm like, I'm gonna wear it outside.
That's your Christmas gift early because.
Well, you got yours early too. Everybody got theirs early. So.
You're blind. I will smack you.
I did not see this one yet. I did not see this one. I want this. I want that. And I want the How to Get the Beach Body one. Toes in the sand, coffee in my hand. We're out here again. But this time it's clear so we can actually see the moon. Whoa. I think we're witnessing a partial lunar eclipse. That's so cool. I had no idea there was supposed to be any kind of lunar eclipse. That was a nice little surprise.
Wow, you can't see reflecting on the water, but when the waves are about to break.
Yeah, they start to glow.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't think I've ever been on the beach where there's no breeze.
I know, it's completely
Literally
still.
not even a breeze.
I don't know what kind of bug is out here right now, but their bites hurt. It's like an itchy pain. It sucks. Our little lunar eclipse is over. You can see the stars. Wow. I zoom in all the way in, it almost looks like it's daytime, but I like edited it weird.